Welcome to Donna Cooking, and in this week's video, I've put together a 3-day reset to get you back on track. Say you've been going out to eat too much, post-vacation, just anything that's kind of gotten off your healthy eating. I put together 3 breakfasts, 3 lunches, 3 dinners that'll help you eat a more balanced diet that's high fiber and low cholesterol, and hopefully get you back on a healthy eating track. So come along with me in this week's video and let's get started. For our 3-day reset, I've included this awesome lunch. Now, what I make up ahead, I make up some brown rice, some lentils, and some quinoa, and then I pre-cook it and I package it up in bags. And then I can take it out of the freezer and use for whenever I want. But if not, you can just have this salad on a bed of any kind of greens and maybe use some quinoa. This is really high fiber and protein, plus it's just a great blend. So I'm gonna go ahead and dump this on my salad. Now we already made our lemon tahini dressing, and that's gonna go perfect on this salad. And I'm also gonna add hemp seeds. And sprinkle that right on top. So there you have it, our super healthy lunch that helps you get back on track. This reset dinner is super easy to make. I cut the sweet potatoes up in some small pieces. I'm gonna put it on my cookie sheet, put a little bit of avocado oil on there and some salt and garlic. And then next I'll cut up a few more vegetables to add in after these cook for a few minutes. This heart-healthy and fiber-packed oatmeal is a great way to start your day on the reset. You can vary the different fruits that you put on top, and then you add some chia seeds, and it has flax in it. Super healthy and easy. You can even make it ahead for a great meal on the reset. Finish out today's reset, we're going to make some black bean tacos for dinner. They're easy, so come along with me while we make them. Gather together some Greek yogurt and healthy fruits and berries, and you can make this yogurt parfait as part of your 3-day reset. You're going to enjoy this one. You can even pack it to go. Here's a great lunch that you can have on your 3-day reset. It's a Mediterranean hummus wrap with an apple and some walnuts. Another great meal to make on this reset meal plan is to make a lentil stew. So it's high in fiber and great for lowering cholesterol and high in protein from the lentils. So we got some garlic clove, celery, onion, and carrots. I'm just gonna saute it up really quick. This recipe comes together really quickly, and it's even great if you can make it the day before. The lentils only took 25 minutes to get done, and then you just taste it, adjust any seasonings that you might want to change, and then add in some spinach or kale, whatever one you like, and it is ready to serve. You can have it over rice or serve it with our healthy bread. Thanks so much for coming on with me in this week's video. Make sure you check the description box for links and recipes, and also the end screen for other videos that you would love to see. So until next time, happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next video.